Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes.
Today we are going to learn a miniature painting. We are going to paint it on a MDF board.
So this is a MDF coaster which is available everywhere. You can buy online or from the shops. I have used this gesso, Fabius gesso, and I have given 2 coatings of gesso on it. Now I'm going to do the background. So for background I want to give some texture. So I'm using red color and yellow color. Any red, any yellow, no problem. You can use any other color. So here is the basic coat of red which I'm going to do, but I am dabbing. We can do ordinary painting also. For that, we have to move our hand left to right, up to down, and we'll have to make sure that there are no lines visible. So one round is over. Now I'm taking yellow color in my brush, and in the center, I'm doing more work by yellow color. So this is our base. We'll wash the brush and now we will start making the design. To make the design, I'm using black color and I'm going to use 000 number brush. This is 000 number brush. First we'll draw a heart. This is the outline of the heart. Please make sure you're taking very less paint in your brush. Now in the house, we are going to show a lady standing. She's an old lady. She's holding a stick. Our lady is ready. Now, next step, we are going to show some birds around the house. Next step, we are showing a tree next to the house. Now, let's start the border. When our poster will dry, then we'll give at least 2 coats of thick varnish. I have Fabius varnish, very thick one, which I use for these things, for posters, for trays. Trays, mostly I do resin because we wash the tray. Posters also, I prefer to do resin. But resin is not easy to do and everybody cannot do it. So I suggest that some of you can do the varnish. I will do a coat of resin on it. Resin can be done only if our painting is fully dry. Resin cannot stand water. So we will wait for our painting to fully dry and then we will do the resin work. Now this is completely black, so to fill some color, I'm going to use some white color, just simple some line work.
Our miniature painting is ready.
I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you for liking, subscribing and sharing Vandana's art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.